Get excited about the 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan. This 7-passenger van has just over 80,000 miles. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include cruise control, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a power rear cargo door, a roof rack, and power windows. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Call now to schedule a test drive.